Hi friends! Welcome to Ethan and Emma Daily English. Let's learn English through exciting adventures. Let's go! Good morning! Today is my birthday. I am so excited!
Good morning, Dad.
Good morning, Emma.
Do you remember today?
Sorry, I am busy this morning. I have an important meeting today.
Okay, Dad.
Have a great day at school.
You too. He forgot my birthday. Maybe he is too busy.
Hi, Emma. Are you okay? Not really. What happened, Emma? My dad forgot my birthday.
I am sorry, Emma. I waited all morning. Dad usually remembers everything. Maybe something happened.
Did your mom remember? Yes, but Dad forgot. That makes me sad.
I think he still loves you. I have an idea. What is it? Let's remind your dad. Really?
Do you know his phone number? Yes, I do. Good, I will call him. Thank you, Lily.
Hello, this is David.
Hello, Mr. David.
Lily, is everything okay?
I need to tell you something important. Today is Emma's birthday.
What? What? She is very sad. Oh no, I forgot. I cannot believe this. Emma must be heartbroken. I need to fix this. I need to make this right now. Emma must be very sad. I have an idea.
Maybe Dad forgot completely. Maybe birthdays are not important. Don't say that. Something good might happen. Can I help you?
Yes, I need birthday decorations. For my daughter.
I was excited this morning. Now I feel different. Trust me, things can change.
That looks perfect. Emma will love it.
Did you remember?
Not until today.
Poor Emma.
Let's make tonight special.
Ready to go home? Yes, I guess so. I thought today would be special. The day is not over yet. Maybe. What is your favorite birthday memory? Last year, Dad made a big chocolate cake. That sounds amazing. I wonder what Dad is doing now. Maybe he is thinking about you. I hope so. We're almost there. Yes, thank you for staying with me. Friends always help each other.
That's strange. Why are the curtains closed? Maybe your family is busy.
I hope everything is okay. I'm sure it is. Why is it so quiet?
Mom? Dad? I'm home. Nobody is answering. I don't understand.
Did you hear that? Hear what? I think someone is inside. Maybe Mom is here. Maybe Dad came home. Surprise! What? You remembered!
Of course we did.
Happy birthday, sweetheart. This is amazing. I thought everyone forgot. We would never forget you.
I am sorry, Emma. I forgot this morning. I feel terrible.
I was very sad.
What's inside?
You'll see soon.
It's a surprise.
I wonder what's inside. It looks big. Wow! The cake looks beautiful. It's your favorite. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Make a good wish.
Now it's time.
Finally!
Let's see what is inside. Wow! No way! I've wanted one for so long.
We know.
Thank you so much. You deserve it.
Happy birthday, Emma.
Wait a minute. How did Dad remember?
Because of your best friend.
I called your dad. I wanted to help. You did all that for me? Thank you, Lily. This is the best party. I'm so happy. Me too. Happy birthday again, Emma. Thank you for coming. See you tomorrow. Goodbye, Emma. Goodbye, Lily. Thank you again.
Yeah, I want so long for you.
Sarah, look. Emma is so happy now.
Thank you so much. I love her already.
We're so happy you like it.
Seeing you smile is the best gift for us. Thank you for watching our story. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.